Okay, now you're getting a bird's eye view of the sukkah. You can see all the skach on the top, the doorway. So it started out, as you can see across the way there. I'll try the clothesline. That's what the sukkah was. I just used the superstructure of the clothesline. You can't use the lines for the clothes to support anything, so I just ran 16-foot wood across and covered in the wood with the skach. Now, if you see here, there's a trellis. You can't use that. If you can see the difference between that stuff's very green, and you can see already the skach is getting a little bit discolored because it's cut from the tree. You cannot use a trellis. I cannot use that stuff unless I cut it. I cannot use that as part of my covering for the sukkah. You can't use a trellis to build a sukkah. So this is the bird's eye view. Show it down the way. Here you have you can see the electric cord and the Erev. The one on the right with the little yellow little piece of rope, that's the Erev, and the other line is the electric that's going to the sukkah. So that's the sukkah from the top. It's the best view I can get for this for you.